Wawuno Oba bewa sasi so na hindi dana betudo newo friend no se owa ofutufu dadeja asomdwe hino neja dada hino dada hino. Meyi wayo Wonsane juma yewawa Mesomo. Hey, today I haven't seen subscribers I have. I haven't seen the quantity of subscribers I have. Nebesomo. Nyashewudine nimonya. Erade wunye na bankase. Obida sita beba. Obida ye beba. Obidi nyom to beba. Ye bebo makade nyamiye. 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 Nyamiye maye. Nyamiye. 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 Oh yeah maye. Missing the money guda me da wasi. Oh yeah biama ozo. Obidi nyam to baba. Ye bebo makade nyamiye. Nyamiye. Shit. Nyamiye. Oh nyamiye. Oh yeah mommy. Yesterday I was able to attend different channels to ask questions. Okay, the question I asked, one was, if you use the same picture for doing a silent live, would you get copyright? And two people was saying you get copyright. So I went to a big YouTuber and I asked, please, if you use the same picture for doing silent stream, would you get copyright? And the person said no. When you use the same picture for your copyright, when you use the same picture for your silent streaming every day, you are not going to get copyright, because at the end of your silent streaming, those pictures are not going to show. So I was released. And I said, hey, let me come to my channel and share with people. So relaxed, if you have used the same picture for your silent streaming, and you would think you will get copyright. According to a big YouTuber I asked question, they said you are not going to get copyright. So relaxed. And also I asked, can you do a live video and people like and you lose your likes? And they said yes. Why you can lose your likes after you finish your live streaming? And they were saying that they will remove, because people are not there to watch your live fully. They will just appear and go. Yes, they will just appear and go. So since they are not staying fully, it will be removed by the owners. Not the owners, the YouTube owners. And they will remove it, like YouTube will remove it. Yeah. So this is what I learned. And also the advice